The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a complete powerhouse designed for those who demand nothing but the best in every aspect of their mobile experience. From its cutting-edge performance to its immersive display and jaw-dropping battery life, this device is built to elevate your everyday smartphone usage to a whole new level. Let's begin with the display, because that's the first thing you interact with. The Ace 5 Ultra features a massive 6.83-inch LTPS OLED panel that delivers stunning visuals with a crisp 1.5K resolution. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching high-definition videos, or diving into a fast-paced mobile game, the 144Hz refresh rate ensures everything looks and feels incredibly smooth and fluid. The ultra-responsive touch input combined with brilliant color reproduction makes this display perfect for content creators, gamers, and everyday users who love a vivid visual experience. Beneath the hood, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, one of the most advanced chipsets on the market. This processor isn't just about raw speed, it's about intelligence, efficiency, and future-ready performance. Whether you're multitasking between heavy apps, playing graphics-intensive games, or using AI-powered features, this chipset handles it all effortlessly. Paired with UFS 4.0 storage that goes up to a staggering 1 TB, you get not only rapid app launches and file transfers, but also enormous space to store everything you love, photos, videos, documents, games, and more without ever worrying about running out. Camera performance on the Ace 5 Ultra is equally impressive. You get a powerful 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, that lets you capture sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. There's also a 50MP ultra-wide lens that lets you frame more of your world in every shot, perfect for landscapes and group pictures. And for those who love zoom photography or capturing distant subjects, the 8MP telephoto lens delivers clear images with optical zoom capabilities. Whether you're taking professional-grade portraits or casual snapshots, the camera system adapts to your creativity and delivers stunning results every time. But what truly sets the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra apart is its monstrous 7,000 mAh battery, a capacity rarely seen even in large phones. This enormous battery means you can easily get through 2 days of heavy use without worrying about finding a charger. And when you finally do need to top up, the phone supports 100W ultra-fast charging, capable of taking the battery from empty to near full in just about half an hour. Say goodbye to overnight charging and low battery anxiety. The design of the Ace 5 Ultra reflects OnePlus's commitment to premium quality. It features a flat-screen design for a modern, clean look and uses high-end materials that feel solid and luxurious in hand. The phone is also IP-rated for dust and water resistance, giving you peace of mind against accidental splashes or drops in dusty environments. On the software front, the phone runs on Android 15 with OnePlus's custom ColorOS 15 skin, offering a refined and user-friendly interface. You get smart features, customization options, and optimizations that enhance performance and battery life. Daily usage feels smooth and intuitive, whether you're navigating the UI, using split-screen features, or taking advantage of the built-in privacy tools. Additional features include dual stereo speakers that offer rich, immersive sound whether you're watching videos or playing games, NFC support for quick wireless payments and device pairing, and enhanced heat dissipation for stable performance even during long gaming sessions. In short, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is not just a flagship, it's a statement. It's built for users who want extreme power, unmatched battery endurance, a cinematic display, and a reliable camera system, all packed into a beautifully designed and future-proof smartphone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants the best, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is designed to exceed expectations at every turn.